Fear doesn't live in your mind, it lives in your body, and you can't think your way out of something your body is holding. But here is what you can do. You can hum, not to distract yourself, not to pretend the fear isn't there, but to send your body a signal it can actually hear. When you hum, your vagus nerve activates, your chest softens, your nervous system remembers what safety feels like. You are not fighting the fear, you are sitting with it, with sound, with your own voice. Saying, I feel you, and I'm still here, and that's not weakness. That's the bravest thing you can do. One breath, one hum, that's where it starts.